The road of life has a reputation it didn't ask for. People talk about it like it's this grand metaphor, freedom, destiny, the whole inspirational poster package. But mostly it's just forward motion, whether you like it or not. We treat freedom of movement like something we're earned with bravery or good planning. In reality, it's baked into our existence. Time shoves us along mile after mile. No turn signals, no warning signs, just forward, because the future won't wait for anybody to get their shit together. Some days that feels exhilarating, but most days it feels like being pushed onto a road trip you didn't want to take. You glance in the rearview mirror, hoping to gain wisdom from your journey thus far, but the past is just exhaust fumes. The only direction left is whatever's ahead, and it's impossible to tell if that horizon holds anything meaningful or if it's just more empty road dressed up as opportunity. Still, we keep moving. Human beings are stubborn like that. We convince ourselves that somewhere around the next bend is clarity or redemption, or at least a decent cup of coffee. Even when a part of us suspects the future might be hollow. But there's something honest in the movement itself. It's the small defiance of showing up for a life that refuses to stop. We don't know what's coming, and maybe it won't be much, but we drive on anyway. I'm not sure if the future promises anything, but stopping isn't an option. The road keeps unfolding and we keep following it, mile after uncertain mile. It's the only freedom we get, this relentless forward motion. And for better or worse, it's our personal journey.